2022 BMW 228i. This car had previously been ceramic coated by another shop, even though these are people that have been clients of mine for over a decade. But I believe that because this was or is their child's car, maybe they took a chance. I'm not sure what the reasoning was, but this car was brought somewhere else. It was corrected and ceramic coated, and the father told me that within a year of having done that, there was really no evidence left of a ceramic coating on this vehicle. And he compares that to the wife's X7, I believe, that I did, 2 years ago. And when he dropped this one off, he mentioned how amazingly beautiful that car still looks and how the coating still acts like it should act, and you know how the paint reacts to to getting wet and the gloss and all of that. So he absolutely noticed the difference, and therefore brought this car back to me, and we redid everything, recorrected, recoated. I mean, it's a beautiful car. It might be quote-unquote just a 228. It's still a beautiful car. And I mean, this belongs to a college kid, so you know, I know many adults that are not able to drive a car like this, let alone a college kid. And but yeah, there's so many imperfections. Of course, no clear bra ever put on, so you can see all of these marks on the front bumper, which is a shame, because you know this will happen to any car that does not get protected with PPF, especially on the front. And there are some other marks on the rear bumper, especially. There's some door dings, so that's unfortunate. But overall, if you look at this car, you just step back a few feet, and not many people would not know that it's not a brand new vehicle. Unless people know generations, they wouldn't be able to tell that this one is 3 years old. So not perfect, but I'm still happy with the results. Looks really good. It's a beautiful metallic black. I can never remember what this color is called from BMW, but you know, it's their metallic black. I know I'll think of it once the video is over. Even though it sits outside every day, hopefully it'll be taken care of a little bit better. And now with the proper coating on there, it will be more resistant to being left outside. And you know, hopefully after the son sees it, he'll be more inspired to properly take care of it.